Want to know how to create an agent that monitors trends across multiple websites and platforms? So, getting through trends is super useful, which could get you ahead of most people, especially in creating contents or businesses. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I can easily do it in AgentGPT by creating an agent. So, let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it, which is on our channel. So now, once you're under the home page, you should be under the deployment tab, and under the name, just simply type in anything. So I'm just going to type in TrendGPT, and on the prompt, just simply copy and paste this right here. It generates a 20 to 30 creative product or app names based on this idea. So you can just simply add your idea and then just simply select one. Now once that is done, make sure on the tools your Google search is enabled as well. And now just simply select one and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.